hours. I'm education expert, your guide through the amazing adventure of digestion. Today, we're going to follow a piece of your favorite food as it travels through the digestive system. My favorite is donut, tell yours in comment. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the topic. Every bite begins with your mouth, where your teeth chop food up into small pieces. But that's not all that happens here. There's a slimy stuff called saliva. It starts breaking the food down right in your mouth, making it easy to swallow. After swallowing, our donut bits slide down a tube called the esophagus. It's like a slide that takes the food right to the stomach. Welcome to the stomach. This is where the real magic happens. The stomach is like a mixer, swirling around the food with strong stomach acids. These juices break the food down into a paste, making it easier for your body to absorb all the yummy nutrients. Now, our donut paste moves into the small intestine. This is where most of the nutrients are absorbed. Think of it like a sponge soaking up water. In this organ, nutrients turning into energy. That's what helps you run, play, and grow. Almost done. We're now in the large intestine. It absorbs water and turns the leftover material into waste. Not everything can be used, so what's left forms what let's just call it the poop. And finally, waste leaves your body when you go to the bathroom, helping keep you healthy and ready for your next meal. And there you have it, friends. That's how our bodies take care of the food we eat from start to finish. Remember, every bite you take goes on a fantastic journey to help you move, think, and play. So choose healthy foods to make the journey a good one. Thanks for joining me on this digestive adventure. Keep exploring and eating healthy. Bye. Make sure subscribe and like our video for more content.